stuff. Now we've got the Makita 4-stroke strimmer. So the leaf blower is being refilled, and let's move that oil out of the way. We're going to do this. Can't remember where the dipstick is. Got it this side. There. So let's roll this one over slightly, move the oil out of the way. Now this does take, I don't know, I think it's 30 ml of oil. It's nothing. I haven't heated this one up, so we're just going to chuck it in and do it. So we need that and that. Spilling oil. See the oil in there. Put that on there. Right. And pump. There it goes. Yeah, much harder when it's cold. This should start going quickly. This does make it. I mean, this one, you can see how on earth you're going to drain that oil without creating a mess by pouring it out. It's just going to go all over the fuel, outside of the fuel tank. So yeah, I'm liking this method. I'm going to stick with it. But the lawnmower, the mistake was not warming it up. Supposedly stuff's still coming out. Do not shoot the bung off. I think see, that's coming up to 30. There's not much in it. Right, let's put you down. Right, we've emptied it. We do a bit more suction. We can see the air gap, so we can tell if there's any more. No, I don't think there is. No. That was about right. Let's get it back on even ground. Just pop that. Don't want to get this pipe on the ground really. That's it. Okay, so that's another extraction done. We just need to fill it. Right, so I have now cleaned up my syringe and tube, but I'm just realising that to pour oil in there is a bit of a no-no. So I'm going to measure out 30 ml on the syringe and pump it in. How good is that? Right, so we are just sucking it out. Oh my God, this is one-handed filming. Alright, that is 30. So, we've got the foam between the legs. We are going to pop it into that hole there. 30 ml. I should really show you. There she goes. almost there. That's it. Pull that off. Let gravity do its thing with the final bit. So yeah, I'm back on the method. Last few drops. There it goes. Bit of mess, but doing it the other way, it would have been one hell of a mess. Right, let's clean the tube. Gloves are always good when you're doing this. Right. We get that. And get that back in. Get it level. Leave it for a bit and then check that level. Right. Still seem to have a bit of oil in there. Let's get that out. Don't blow on the pipe. We'll pop that back on there. I was putting that. There's a plug there. Right. Again, keep on saying this. I think I get it off the floor, don't I? Okay.